and one of rich. I saw you go. Enough man me bill with. I hear my body count 45. Pass netball field. You must know say certain fucker Brit now go take. Cause me used to no by now. Me not fool to man. Me used to man. So you must know say me not tech fuckery. So you come over here so decent and nice. Also man girl, 45. By the time I reach 30, you count 100 and gone. And then the time that me gonna probably reach about 48, I'm married. So you stay there and judge me here. Go on like I said for your shit can make blood clot party. Stay there and judge me and go on like you're good as. By the time I catch 30, I see a number you see you reach up there so. Just know say me did reach 45 and me did calm down. Yeah, me did calm down and start go slow. So by the time I reach age when me reach 30, you're going to reach the same number or more. So you stay there and judge me 45, that's supposed to tell us that me not take fuckery. Move up. And where I go with the broke pocket self. I not found me give like out the road and this me. Go move from here so with that. Me no want a broke man. Me broke, where you come they go? You know see me broke already. Why you want more than the ingredient there for? A rich and broke, and you add it together equal, come up. Broke and broke, if you don't have luck, you get fucked. Because the same man we are sitting with while in broke, he can get money and left you. And this is like you're nothing. You know much years that you sit down and build with boy? You know what that feel? When you this done fuck, are you hungry? You hungry with him? Everything you sit down and hungry with him. He fuck it till I can't walk in your yard. You're hungry with him, they're hungry so till. As in get money. You know, want to see this a black pussy there again. A brown and you want to see. You understand? So I say, alright, go and see who you want to see. And from that day till now, I say I not build back with no man, because I should not build with man too much. I should not build with them. As they get the money, so then gone. So you know what I want now? I want a rich man. I want a man who already have it. So when you come here, can't give me money and I put it to use, are you gone? At least I can look over this and say, boy, see look all the car the white boy did buy me. So at least I not gonna feel so bad in myself. So you can go on. But I not have a certain style with you. So you better go and find some. I tell all of the little broke pocket man, so I don't want none of uno. So don't see me and call up me, I don't want uno because they can't take care of me. When they can't give me nothing what I want. So you move from here so and go on. I'm not frightened for you neither. Not frightened for you no. Because man is something what me used to. Me used to man. Me not fully to man. All the type of man we see now were black, white, orange, fucking yellow. Me grow on all of them. Me grow on all of them. Me suck would fuck everything, anal everything. So I don't know why you have to come show me say now. To make me feel like me for impress you. Well, fuck you. Me is a bitch. You is a dirty bitch too. Me not impress her. You not impress me, bumper clock neither. Know that. No bumper clock that. Me not impress you. You not impress me neither. You brought like dog. You don't dry shit in your body. So nobody no want you. Not even or like me no want you. So you must know say it bad. Alright. So you better go on and talk. Me not build with no man. Move from here, sir. Move! You broke I want to come over if you come fuck me off. Go away! Broke bumble clock. Move bumble clock with a broke cocky word. Move! Move! Fucking broke me tired on the nedge me teeth, man. Nedge! Move, man. Me tired on it now, man. Alright, me done talk. Me done talk. It come like Jamaica of all I brought man them pack up one place. Them brought. So till that none of we can add up. None of we can be who we really want to be. Because when I go so now I say Bamzo babes more or something. In a every figure. In a have dollar. In a have 1 red cent. You understand me? And when When he meet one next girl now, he start give girl bigger vibes than you. No make nobody fool you. No make none of them man a fool about how much set then of this and then of that. Every man do things to what they want. You see if a man want you, you not short enough here. Know that. So you see if there is a brother there and he might tell a Ray and Ray. I know you want because when a man want you, let me tell you a blueprint for a relationship. Yes, when the Lord want a relationship to work, money will never be a problem in a relationship then. Food, none of them something there. It come like everything just go flow like a day heaven. You see, but there is a man right now want everything rock, everything a shot. That means a lot of show say it not go work. You can't just cut for now. So you go sit down and you go build with him and he go this you. And then you go say, yo, fuck with thing. At least you can't say Brit that to the real fucking shit. You sit down and build with boys, boy get money, so you see boy true colors, the boy this you and left you. You understand me? I not build with no man. So either you come at direct or you not come at direct. And if you not come at direct, I have my honey answer. And me feel like I say, yo, me that take some of your hood or fuck you. Me take a fuck, but me not go there with you. Because me not want them a broke man, and me tell you that already. Honey and broke is two different things. Honey, me want fuck. I feel like you want fuck me too. We can't fuck, but we not go there. We not go there because it go come like well done. Yeah, we just can't go there. We kind of fuck on like 1 and 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and then cut. But we not go there because you're not really there for my timing. You're not there for my time of day. Yeah, me not care what you want to say. But any relationship you in a with now, man, and everything you look, you don't have no food now. You look for me now, right? You don't have no food now, boy, you don't have no money. That means say a lot that tell us if you pack up our left, girl. You know, make no say sit on with him. When the Lord wants something to work, everything flow good. No problem. You go the one that say, oh, everything just go so good. Because God wants it to work. Why a relationship now work? Now because the Lord don't want it to work. Him know deep down so that the man the where with do me no good. Alright, the Lord knows so deep down that the girl where with do me no good. That's why nothing not go good in a relationship. Nothing not go good. That's why you know. So if you don't want to come out of denial and say make a life a relationship there, I fear waste of time that. Because in the long run you go see why you go see say God, the Lord, just try to show you the thing from how long you never they see it. You never they see, you understand? Yeah. So you have to know these things. And I feel like I say, me said that me unhappy. Me not said that me unhappy. Me not sad or unhappy. No, but I feel like now, no man no want me. Man want me. Man want me, but them broke. All of the broke man them want me. All of the rich man them no want me. You know what they tell me say? Them a batty man. Them a batty man and they realize I'm smart. When me come around and me see them and they look at man what them a sex privately. My mind I go tell me what them a do. And they don't want me to come around so me can't talk. So them a batty boy. I tell you them a batty man. That the brother carry the alright. That the brother carry the way you going every day. I see any guy in the front. That the boy they are play you. Because when them go over that the boy they have to fuck that the boy they in idea. In the night, I'm on a nigga fuck. A nigga that a bump on the in the night. So in the end, I only get play. So either or either. That's why sometimes like I see some girl choose themselves. That's why I see woman go with woman because the woman them a understand say yo, the man them a play them. When a guy a man yard, I see that the one nigga they will always around the smoke blood clot weed. Not knowing say when they done fuck a man and gone. I see him nigga that a boom off your manhood. Not knowing say that the nigga they a play you the whole blood clot time. That's why I see some girl choose woman. It's smart for choose themselves. Woman choose woman and man choose man. I smart away that because that's the only way you're not gonna get play. If I not other else way, him man I go play you. Because as a gun, I let off some pussy on him, man. I man, I'm under the shit up in body. And the man ready for push up shit. Army shit up. What now come out? No, blood clot come out. Let me say it up. Me stop now. Me nah make no boy play me again. Me a no idiot. You can go on. You play me already and gone. Scooping and go on. But you not play me again. You can't fool me. Go on porn up right now and go in our man section. Gay porn. You see how they really act. You see how they act better than woman. I porn up missing enough things. And porn up make me really start pretty weird about them. Me feel like every man love man. And every woman love woman. That's how me feel. And until, because sometimes I look pan up. You see all 30 man in a one room I fuck ass. 30 cute man. I fuck them one another. Why you think that happen? Because it's happening now in society. And why you think that? And then now, when you see them out in real life and like you call them gay, you hear them. Me and Batman ready for lick it on, you know. Ready for lick it on for truth. That it's the mere truth of what they're really doing. And until you can realize that you're a man a Batman now why you fuck and he's playing you for his brethren, you will always be unhappy. But to each his own, that's not my fucking business and I stay out of it. But when I go on Pornhub really traumatized me because it make me not trust no man. Me feel like every man a Batman, every man suck pussy. I me not care what you want to say. I truth. And what me say, every man a Batman and all of them name pussy. And not to mention they love name Batty too. Them a Batman. All the man them like what something there. Beat me up ass. A Batman them. It's a group of Batman and me buck up on. 4 man. It's a group of Batman them. I'm a you know, come on. I mean, some type of noise. The bomber clock Batman me buck up on. You understand me? All that me tell say. It's a group of Batman me buck up on, you know. Me tell you what they do me, you know. I'm with the 4 man them, you know. The 4 of them fuck them one another. And the 4 of them beat me up and fuck me. Yeah, it's a Batman them. It's a Batman crew. It's a whole Batman crew. You can't understand. And men have been playing women for months, years, decades, centuries. And now the woman them, they're feeling unappreciated because they're like, we bring you guys here, and this is how you guys treat us. And we bring you guys here in this world. It shows that they are very ungrateful.